Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up categories in Infinite Campus. Remember, you're going to need to do this before you can enter any grades for second semester. So here's some step-by-step directions on how to do this. I'm not going to read through them, but you might want to come back to this screen and pause the video so you can follow these directions. So once you're logged into Infinite Campus, once again, you are going to go over to the instruction side of things. So we're going to click the waffle and go to instruction. And from here, you're going to want to go to the left menu and you're going to go to Gradebook. Now, once you're in Gradebook, you need to confirm that this says quarter 3 and select the class that you want to set up. And then once you have those two things confirmed, you're going to click this blue and white arrow that says settings. And you'll notice that this pop-up window comes up. And in this menu bar, you want to pick categories, which you'll notice brings this pop-up window out for us. All right, so in this pop-up window, you're going to see a list of the categories you had for last semester. So if we want to set up new ones for this semester, we're going to go down here and click the Add button. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click up here and you're going to give it a name. So let's say that our first category is going to be about assessments. We give it the title Assessments, and you can click as many of these boxes as you want to assign it to as many classes at a time as you want. So maybe you have 3 sections of a certain class. You can click all 3 of those sections and set them up at the same time. Now be careful because we're looking for second semester classes, so be sure to look for the Y2s. So then we need to give it a weight. So let's say that you want assessments to be 60% of the grade. So we're going to type in 60, and then you're going to hit the Save button down here at the bottom. Now, this is an example gradebook, so I'm not actually going to set up this category, but the thing is it needs a name, it needs to be assigned to a section, and it has to have a weight. So remember, it's really important that our categories add up to 100%. So we only have one category right now that was set for 60. So we're going to go down here and hit the Add button again. And we need to add a category for, let's say, classwork. There was assessments, and then here's everything else, classwork, homework, everything else. And again, it needs to be assigned to a section, and it needs a weight. Now, if that last category was 60%, this category would need to be 40%. And then you would hit the Save button. Now, once you've set up your categories for second semester classes, you should see them in this category list on this one. And then once you're happy with that, you hit the Close button down here, and now you're good to go for entering grades for second semester. Some important things to remember. 1, all of your categories should add up to 100% when they're all added together. You cannot change these categories or the weights once you've started entering grades because it changes the grades as you're going along then. And your categories do not need to be the same as they were for first semester. If you have any questions or you need any help, please feel free to reach out.